Contractors might see their overall business profit, sure, but getting an accurate profit margin for each job is where things get super messy. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn on the Projects feature in QuickBooks Online, get a new project set up with all the key info, accurately attach bills and expenses to that specific project, and finally, create a sales invoice that directly links back to your project, giving you a full, no-nonsense look at your profitability. This isn't just about punching in numbers. It's about getting super clear, making smarter moves, and ultimately making more money. So, let's hop into QuickBooks Online. All right, first things first. Let's make sure the Projects feature is actually switched on in your QuickBooks Online account. From your main dashboard, you'll want to head over to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Think of this as your secret entrance to all your settings. From that little menu that drops down, pick Account and Settings. Now on the left-hand side, click on Advanced. Scroll down a bit till you spot a section called Projects. If it's not already on, you'll see a tiny pencil icon to edit. Just click that pencil. Then simply flip that switch to On. Once it's green, hit Done to save your changes. Easy peasy. Perfect. Now that Projects is good to go, you'll see a brand new option pop up in your left menu bar. Let's cruise over to the left side and click on Projects. Welcome to your Projects dashboard. To create a new job, just click on that big green button that says New Project. For our pretend project today, let's imagine we're doing a Cartier kitchen remodel. So in the project name spot, I'll type that in. Now, for the customer, this is a biggie. You'll link this project to a client you've already got in QuickBooks. If they're not in there yet, you gotta add them first. For this example, let's just pick Cartier Jack. You can also add a description, which is awesome for your own notes, or a quick rundown of the job. I'll put in complete remodel of kitchen, including new cabinets, countertops, and flooring. And if you want to track it by status, like in progress, done, or on hold, you can do that right here. Let's set ours to in progress. Once you're happy with all the deets, click Save and Close. And boom, our Cartier kitchen remodel project is now set up and ready to rock. Okay, now this is where it gets really cool. Let's say we just got a bill for those shiny new cabinets for the Cartier kitchen. We have to make sure that this cost is directly related to that project. We'll head over to the Plus New button in the top left corner. Under Vendors, pick Bill. Let's punch in the info for this bill. For the vendor, let's say Cabinets Are Us, terms are net 30, and today's the bill date. We'll make the due date 30 days from now. Now, in the category details section, this is the super important part. We'll put this down as job materials. And the amount, let's say it's $10,000 for those snazzy custom cabinets. All right, here's the most critical step for project tracking. In that customer/project column, you absolutely need to select our Cartier kitchen remodel project. Make sure billable is checked if you plan to charge this back to the customer later. You probably do. Let's save this and make another bill for a subcontractor too. Click Save and New. This time our vendor is Oakville Plumbers for some rough-in work. We'll categorize this under subcontractors. The amount is $2,500. And again, don't forget to pick our Cartier kitchen remodel project in the customer/project column. This is key. Awesome. Let's hit Save and Close on this one. Now that we've dumped some expenses on it, let's see how our project's looking. Go back to your Projects section on the left. See our Cartier kitchen remodel right here? If you click on it, you're going to get a beautiful snapshot. Check this out. You can instantly see your income, costs, and profit margins staring right back at you. Right now, our costs are showing $12,500. That's our cabinets and plumbing subcontractor bill. This is insanely powerful for staying on budget and knowing your actual job expenses in real time. No more guessing games. You've got the data right at your fingertips. How cool is that? All right, our project's moving along, and it's time to send an invoice to our client, Jacques Cartier, for the work we've done so far. Again, we'll hit that plus new button. This time, under Customers, pick Invoice. First, select the customer, Jack Cartier. Notice something super neat? On the right side, QuickBooks is pulling up those billable expenses we marked earlier. This is unbelievably handy for invoicing. You can choose to add them all or just pick specific ones. For this invoice, let's add both the cabinets and the plumbing service. Just click Add next to each. QuickBooks automatically slaps them right onto your invoice as line items. Seriously, how convenient is that? Now, let's add a service item for our general contracting work. In the Product/Service column, let's choose Installation Services. For the description, we can put Phase 1, Kitchen Remodel Installation. Quantity 1, rate $7,500. And here's the key part again for project tracking. Make sure you select the Cartier Kitchen Remodel in the Customer/Project column for this service line item too. This makes sure all the income for this invoice is correctly tied back to the project. Once you're done, you can check the total. Then you can save and send or save and close. Let's just save and close. Back to our projects dashboard, and look at this. Our income now shows the $7,500 from our installation services, plus the $10,000 and $2,500 from those billable expenses, plus a $2,500 markup because this remodeling wasn't easy, totaling a neat $22,500. Our costs are still at $12,500, giving us a super clear profit margin of 44.4% or $10,000. This awesome view lets you see, at a glance, how healthy each and every project is, financially speaking. You can even run detailed reports from here, but we'll get into that in another video. Like this video if you would like a tutorial on that. We can surely help you out. Anyways, it's all right there. Can you imagine having this kind of clarity for all your projects? No more guessing games. No more wondering if you actually made money on that last job. With QuickBooks Online's project tracking, you're getting real-time insights into your job costs and whether you're making a profit. Way better accuracy when you're billing and invoicing. The power to make smarter pricing decisions for your next jobs. So, if you're a contractor using QuickBooks Online, I seriously encourage you to try out this project tracking feature. It's a total game changer. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. If you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Your questions will be answered in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more bookkeeping tips and tutorials. If you're behind on your books, you're in luck because we're currently providing bookkeeping catch-ups at 50% off for each month that you're behind in. Book an online meeting on our website, bookcount.ca, to get caught up. Thank you for watching this till the end, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye now.